How to install the feeder. Here's about the feeder packing list. Follow these steps for installing the chicken feeder box. Secure the front and left panels with screws. Secure the right panel with screws. Secure the base panel with screws. Secure the rear panel with screws. Attach 4 feet with long screws. Unscrew the nut from the white feeding port. Fit the feed port. Install the 10-port feeding box. Remove the protective film from the feeder's window. Add washers, then secure the C-handle. Lock the top cover with toggle latches.